Here are 5 ways to completely change and elevate your makeup. These tips might seem small, but they will change your makeup game forever and make your face look like it was done by a professional every single time you do your makeup. The first, most life-changing, especially if you have mature skin, mature under eyes, this is going to change the game for you. Once you've applied your concealer, wait as long as you can to set it with powder. Do not just apply your concealer and then boom, set it with powder. You need to allow your concealer to warm up with your skin, set itself, and then go in with minimal powder towards the very end of your makeup routine. I know it feels so unnatural, especially, if you've never done this before, but I'm telling you, there will be no more creasing, caking, crinkling, wrinkling. Your under eyes will look just flawless every single time. Wait to set your concealer until the very, very, very end. Before you set your concealer, like I said, wait until the very, very end to do this. Go ahead and apply your powder products over the cream products you've already applied. Cream bronzer, cream blush. Before you set your concealer, go back in with your powder bronzer and your powder blush over where you've applied your concealer. This will help your makeup look like it's just your skin. This will give the look of just a fresh, seamless look to the face with the powder bronzer and the powder blush. And you don't have to start with cream products if you don't want to. I find that it gives the most beautiful look to actually underpaint and do it that way, but you can apply your concealer, and if you're not a cream bronzer or a cream blush kind of gal, just go ahead and use your powder products. You don't have to layer. That's just something that I love to do. If you use a cream product under a powder product, it lasts so much longer. This next tip, this is something that I actually recently started doing, and it just completely changed the way my makeup looks, and I love doing this. Take your bronzer. It makes you feel like you're doing something wrong or you're just gonna look muddy, but take your powder bronzer or contour, whichever one, make sure that you blend that with your eyeshadow. This helps the face not look so patchwork. It makes everything seamless and it makes it look just so much more professional to have a seamless face, to have a seamless wash of color on the face instead of eyeshadow, bronzer, contour. It gives the face just so much more of an elevated professional look. The brushes I love to use for this are the BK Beauty In15 for the outer part of connecting the bronzer. I love using the In14 to take my bronzer and connect it to my nose and where the bronze on the nose is. I just find they are the perfect sizes for doing this little trick. Just gives the face so much more of a seamless professional look, because when you turn your face, it is all cohesive and seamless. I love taking a large powder brush, and the one I love doing this with is the BK Beauty 105. Blend your whole face all together after you've applied your powder products and all of that, blending it with your eyeshadow. Just blend all over the face. Think of blending your powder products on your face like blending an eyeshadow. You don't want everything to look patchwork and stop-start. You want it to look seamless, like it's your face. Now, this is totally optional. I like to give a little bit of an illusion of a fuller lip. My biggest tip for this, without going under the needle, take a cream contour and take a small brush. The one I use for this trick is the Smashbox Blurring Concealer brush, and I just go right under the lip and right on the Cupid's bow. It looks weird at first, and it's like, okay, that looks kind of muddy, but I promise you, it gives that shadow on the top and the bottom with the illusion of a fuller lifted lip. I love doing this. I've done this for a long time. I think it's just such a great way to make your lips look fuller. Then go in with your liner and gloss, and boom, it looks like you have fuller lips. It's not gonna look like you just have contour. and blending it out with a little dense concealer brush like this is perfect for blending out that little shadow on the upper and bottom lip. Those are my 5 tips on how to elevate your makeup and really make it look professional, and also it looks beautiful in photos. So when you're turning your face, it's all cohesive and seamless. It's great for photos, it's great for everyday life, because when we turn our face, you know, we're not always like this. So when we turn our face, our makeup just looks seamless, professional, and beautiful. I will have all the brushes along with the products in the info box below. I hope these tips are helpful. Please come back to this video and let me know if you try any of them and how you feel about these tips changing your makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.
All right.